Welcome to this tutorial on 104 in SCL using LF Energy CoMPAS. Why do you want to use 104? 104 is a protocol used a lot within the power industry for example, for communicating between central systems and decentral systems. For example, SCADA systems and substations. In the substation itself, usually the 61850 station bus is used. So if you have 104 and your 61850 configuration altogether, you can easily configure devices vendor independent. To show you this, I created an example project and I will load it now. In order to see it, you need to make sure that you have the 104 plugin enabled. 104, according to the 61850 80-1, which is the standard used for this implementation, there are two parts of it. One is the actual mapping between 61850 and the 104 addresses, and the other one is considering how to set up a 104 network. So in this case, I created a small example network. You can add one yourself here if you want to. And I added devices to it by clicking here. If you open it, you can select redundancy, so you can make the 104 redundancy groups. In this case, I disabled it. So this is the controlling station, and you can make all kinds of settings here related to 104. And this is the controlled station, and you can see once again see all the settings. In order to add a 104 value to a 6150 address, you can click on Add Address. You select an IED. Let's see, we take a power measurement. So now I have selected an example 6150 pass, and now it's showing what I want to make. In this case, I cannot change anything, so I will say Add, and then I can give it a address according to the 104 protocol. And by saving it, I can see the value. And by doing so, you can add an entire substation to it. Let me do another one. Sometimes you need to choose a monitor TI because the 6150 80-1 gives you flexibility what to use. So you can select usually two monitor TIs. For example, one has timestamp, the other one hasn't. In this case, it's not needed. And by doing so, you can add your 104 addresses to 61850 and configure your 104 network. Thank you for listening.